Now, it is time for us to get jiggy and start creating the machine that's going to deliver you subscribers and hopefully sales. So what I have for you right now is sort of a big picture overview flowchart. Now, in this course, we're going to go into some more detail, but before we get anything built, we kind of need to build your foundations. So the way a very, very basic flow works, by the way, you have this PDF here below this video in this module if you want to download it and check it out. But the way the flow works in a very simple funnel is people opt into your page, and at the same time, two things immediately occur. Number one, they're added to your autoresponder sequence. Number two, they're taken to a thank you page. And in the funnel I'm going to show you, we're going to build a one-time offer or just a simple offer as part of your thank you page. So they opt in and they immediately land here as soon as they hit submit. And this page says, hey, thank you for requesting that report. It'll be in your email in just a minute. Meanwhile, read this letter or watch this video. And that's all a sales message. Now, at the same time that that happens, the subscriber is added to your autoresponder system. That's what AR here stands for. That could be Aweber, Infusionsoft, GetResponse, doesn't matter, whoever you like, right? They're all pretty good. And after they're added, they immediately get an email that sends them to your download page. That's a separate page from your offer page here. Your download page is a page that says, hey, thank you, here's the thing you requested, hope you enjoy it, blah, blah, blah. And then the next day it sends them an email, and the next day it sends them an email, and so forth. And there's a structure to this part as well that I'll teach you in this class. But for now, what we're going to focus on is getting this guy built, and this guy hooked up with this guy. It's all really, really very simple. Thanks largely to the super simple tools that are available to folks like us right now. So in this class, I'm going to show you how to use a few tools that I use. Now, before I do, I want you to know that you don't need to use all of these. You can just pick one. I'm simply going to show you three just so you can have some options. I do use all three, but that's just because I'm a super dork and I get into this kind of stuff for whatever weird reason, all right? Now, the benefit to all of these is that they are cloud-based, meaning there's no software to install on your computer. You just can access this stuff anywhere on the internet from any computer in the world, assuming it's connected to the internet. It doesn't matter if you're a Mac user, it doesn't matter if you're a PC user. Pretty sweet. And all of these are very tech newbie friendly, which is a nice way of saying if you're not very good at tech stuff, then these are going to be easy for you. Okay, so imagine, hang on, let me get this address for you here. Imagine that someone has just opted in for your free report or what have you, right? And you want to show them an offer. So we're going to build a page that's kind of similar to this. This is our man Andy Jenkins's page, and
hey, cuz, it's Andy Jenkins here. I just wanted to personally thank you for your interest in the top 100 WordPress plugins for internet marketers free report. Now, if you're watching this video, that means that your request has safely been received, and you should get an email.
There we go. Gosh, I forgot that the dang video wouldn't pause, you know, sorry about that. So here's the important thing about his page. What happens is immediately when they opt in, this is the first thing they see. Now, they are added to the autoresponder. They are going to get an email, of course, but what we want to do is try to monetize that subscriber immediately in a cool way, not a pushy way, but a nice and friendly way. So what we're going to do is we're going to build a page that does two things. First of all, it acknowledges the fact that they have subscribed, right? So we're going to put a little blurb at the top that says, hey, awesome, you're subscribed. Go check your email in a few minutes. And then we are going to have a sales message, and that can be a sales video or a sales letter, all right? So that's what we're going to build first. Before we build your opt-in page, before we hook it up to your autoresponder, we want to build this, and then we're also going to build your thank you page. That's the page where they can download their free report. They're two separate pages. And the reason we're going to build these first is because why in the world would we build your opt-in page if there's nowhere for them to go after they opt in, right? So we're going to do it right. So let me walk you through a simple way to go ahead and get this sucker built.